Design Gateway NVMe IP enables FPGA system to directly connect NVMe SSD without CPU support. It also supports VRAM operation without external memory. Achieves very high performance over 2200 megabytes per second write speed. Very low FPGA resource usage, including optimized PCIe bridge core and simple data and control interfaces. Free reference design is included with IP core license. It's simple to use and shorten your development time. This IP core also provides rich functionality. It supports Smart Command for SSD health condition check, Flush Command to force cache flush operation, Safe shutdown before SSD power down, and supports both 512 bytes and 4096 byte sector format. NVMe IP demo on Intel Arria 10SX board is available before purchasing the IP core. Let's start performance evaluation. Identify device command shows SSD model and the capacity. Write SSD command to input start sector address, the number of sector size and data pattern. During writing, the display shows total transferred data size every second. When the transmission completed, the display shows writing data size, execution time and write speed. The write speed is 2137 megabytes per second. Read SSD command to input start sector address, the number of sector size and data pattern. During reading, the display shows total transferred data size every second. When the transmission completed, the display shows reading data size, execution time and read speed. The result of reading speed is 3237 megabytes per second. Smart Command to monitor SSD conditions, such as internal temperature and total read-write data size. Flush Command to force cache flush operation. User can adjust trade-off between performance and data evacuation. And Shutdown Command. IP core executes safe shutdown by user request. For more detail, please visit Design Gateway website.